Dear friends, this is my tutorial 4. So in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to download crystals from materialproject.org. Okay, this is the model system I took for you. I will tell you how to download this crystal structure from materialproject.org, and also I will tell you what are the things to be considered before downloading the crystal structures from this website. Okay, so this is actually bismuth telluride crystal structure. Okay, so this is the bismuth telluride crystal structures. So actually this is the important things you need to consider before downloading the crystal structures. Okay, the crystal system is trigonal, the lattice system is rhombohedral, so the international number is thus 166. Okay, the symbol, this is the phase group is R3M. Okay, you need to know before downloading these crystal structures. Okay, so in this crystal structure there are different kind of phase group is there, so you need to check the reference papers before downloading the crystal structures. Okay, I will show you one of the paper, you can understand easily. Okay, so this is the paper. This is the paper published in New Journal of Chemistry. So in this paper they used bismuth telluride. They studied some of the thermoelectric performance. So in this paper you can see that they also given the lattice parameter. You can see here, this is the lattice parameter of the bismuth telluride. So ABC, this all is A equal to this 4.424. So see the C angle, this is not necessary. Then you can see the alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, alpha, beta is 90 and gamma is 120 degree angle. Okay, this is the things. And also you need to consider one more important things. So in the things they have given the bismuth telluride exhibit the rhombohedral crystal system. Okay, so already I showed that presentation. So that is the rhombohedral. Okay, so symbol phase group, this is R3M. Okay, here also you can see in this paper the phase group also used R3M. Okay, so likewise you need to compare, you need to see some reference paper and also check whether we are downloading the correct crystal structure or not. Okay, so if you go to that website you will see large number of crystal structure with different phase group. So if you use a different phase group crystal structure you may not get the correct result. Okay, so before downloading the crystal structure you can download some important good paper and compare, and also find the crystal phase group and the crystal lattice and also crystal system, everything you should check, then you can download the crystal structure. Okay, so now I will download, I will tell you how to download the crystal structure from materialproject.org, and also I will tell you how to get the experimental crystal structure from the materialproject.org. Okay, this is the very important things, so please watch that video. So just to open your Google Chrome and type material project. So this is the website for materialproject.org. Okay, you can see next-gen.materialproject.org. So if you enter this, you will get this page. From here you need to log in the website, then only you can access the crystal structures. Okay, for that just to go here, click login, and it will appear this page. There you have to click continue with Google or Gmail or Facebook or Microsoft email or Amazon, whatever you want. Okay, so I basically use the Google Gmail. Okay, so then it will ask that which account you want to use, just to click it. Which account you want to use, just to click it, anyone. Okay, it will log in now automatically. So now we will start explore our crystal. So now you can see here, start exploring the material, like that will come. Just click it. After clicking you will see this kind of periodic table. So here we have to type the element, what are the element present in our system. Okay, there are different method also is there. So formula, if you want to know you can write also formula. So if you don't want to type formula, you can also type element, what are the element present in your system. So our system, the tellurium is there and also bismuth is there. So we will click here. If you click like that means it will come here. Okay, if you click this one, it will appear bismuth. And what are the other metals? Things telluride is there. Just click telluride, it will come bismuth telluride. Okay, so now you can click search. After searching, it will appear many crystals, so we can see here. So up to this much crystals is appeared. Okay, so see here, star is there. Star means experimentally observed crystal structure. So without a star means the computationally predicted crystal structures. Okay, so we should always use that experimentally observed crystal structure. So now we can also compare the formula is Bi2Te3. okay, is matching, and also the crystal system is trigonal, that also matching. Then also phase group you can see R3M, okay, this also matching. Okay, see here the different kind of phase group material is there now. So if you use other things, maybe you get wrong result. That's why you should compare these three things carefully before downloading the crystal structure. Okay, so this is the one we want. Just we can click it, this one. If you click, it will go to that corresponding crystal page. Okay, this is the just zoom it, it will, this is the interactive one. Just you can zoom, it will zoom in, zoom out. Okay, you can also like that, you can rotate here and there, you can see. Okay, so this is the actually bismuth telluride crystal structure. This is, they have optimized computationally, they have uploaded here. Okay, so if you want to use this crystal structure, you can use it. Okay, no problem. So here also you can see the phase group also is there, band gap and everything is there. So this is the lattice parameter. So I also showed now the ABC is AB equal to 4.42. So that paper experimentally, this paper they mentioned 4.42. okay, this is this matching 4.42. that's alpha beta 1990 and the gamma is 120. okay, so this is the lattice parameter, conventional lattice parameters. Okay, so here you can see the symmetries. Okay, the crystal system trigonal, lattice system rhombohedral. This is that symbol, that means phase group. Okay, this is the international group number. Okay, 166. so like that you will get. So here I will tell you one more thing. So we can also download this as a zip file or postcard file. So which format you want, you can also download it. Okay, so here you can see, just click this one, it will see zip symmetrized zip and postcard and also other WASP input set of file. So I always download this one only. Okay, WASP input set file. Just if you click this one, so it will automatically download here. Okay, just you can go to download. So this is the zip file, so we can extract. So we can extract this one. Okay, just you can extract using your extractor. So this is the Bi2 telluride. So they will also give in-car file, K point, postcard and a port card specification also they will give. So first we will see the in-car file. Okay, just you can open Vesta. We can see the postcard file. Okay, so this is the crystal system of that bismuth telluride. Okay, so this is the one. So okay, so now this is the bulk system actually. Okay, so if you want to see in-car file, you can also see in-car file. So this is the in-car parameter they use to optimize the this bismuth telluride. So if you want to use this one also, you can use. So you can also modify. Okay, they maybe did some wrong also. So just you can also check all the parameters. So sometimes the maximum value they will give wrongly, and also they will see here all the metals. So total atom 15 atom is there, they simply given 15 to 0.6. so if you have two different atom, we have to give separately. Okay, so they given the total. so you also check this one, and also you can, if you want to modify any other parameter, you can modify, do your bulk optimization. Okay, that's very important. So we can also see the k.5. See here they used gamma 551 k.5. This is actually hexagonal, that's why they used 551. Okay, so you can also use same k.5, no problem. So if you see the port car here, you can see bismuth and telluride is there. So if you use VASP, you will get this bismuth telluride port car file. Just you can make it this 2-atom port car file combined, and you can use it for your optimization. Okay, so this is the things. So now I will tell you how to download the experimentally observed crystal structure from this material project page. Okay, so just you can go down, they will give different kind of large number of references crystal. Okay, so if you see here external link, so you can find that ICSD database. So this is the actually large crystal structure database. This is very big database. You can get your crystal structure from here. Okay, so for that what you have to do, just click any one. Okay, just I will click first one to get that experimentally observed crystal structure. Okay, just click it, it will direct to ccdc.cap.ac.uk. okay, so this is the page it will go. So if you don't have access, it will show the limited number of structures. Okay, if you have access this database, you will get the maybe around 50 to 60 structure you will get. I think we don't have access, that's why we are getting the little number of crystal structures. Okay, lower number of crystal structures. So okay, so here you can see this is the ICSD database. So you can also compare here phase group R3M166, and also you can see the cell AB, you can see 4.38, 4.38. okay, so alpha beta also 90 and gamma also 119 or this 120. okay, so our that paper what they mentioned, that paper also the R3M the phase group, and also the lattice parameter is 4.38. okay, that means this is the experimentally observed crystals. So that is computationally optimized crystals, somewhat enlarged from that experimentally observed lattice parameter. okay, so just you can click it, so it will come to this page. So okay, you can see now. Okay, this is our crystal structure. Okay, so if you want to download this crystal structure, you can also download it. So here you can see the corresponding the reference. So if you can also visit this paper, you will get the crystal structure. Okay, so this is the experimentally observed one. So just we can download it this. Okay, you can click it here, it will show different kind of things. Just you can click download current entry. Okay, so this is the ICSD number. Okay, you can note this one. If you want, you can also download directly using this one, CCDC. Just click it, it will direct this page. You can click deposited zip. So you can also click your name and also just email ID, just university name. Just click accept terms and conditions. Okay, then click download. So it will download automatically. Yeah, so our zip file is generated, downloaded. Okay, just we can see this one. So we can copy this. Okay, this is the ICSD database. ICSD database downloaded. Okay, so now you can use this zip file to modify. If you want a mono layer, you can also make a mono layer. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to open our Material Studio project. Material Studio, just open your Material Studio. So click OK. Click new project if you want. BI2 TE3. Okay, bismuth telluride project. Okay, so just you can drag this into here. It will show the crystal structure. So see here, so just you can choose this one to rotate. Okay, so this is the one. So you can make it bonds. So you can make it also ball and stick model. So then you can click ball and stick. You can reduce the stick radius, increase the ball. Okay, so okay, this is the one. So we have downloaded our crystal. So if you want to make mono layers, so what we have to do? So this is very simple, no problem, no need to worry. So what you have to do, just go to build tool, symmetry, make it supercell. Just do it this one, and you can remove it the bottom layer and top layers. Okay, so this is the one layer, this is second, third, fourth, fifth layer. Totally we need only 5 things, 5 layers. Okay, that's all. So bismuth 2 layer, tellurium 3 layers. Okay, so this is the bismuth telluride mono layer. Okay, so if you want to make a larger supercell, you can also make it, go to lattice and increase 3, 4 into 4 also you can make it. Okay, 4 into 4 you can make it, and go to build, symmetry, supercell, 4 into 4. So we have created our 4 into 4 bismuth telluride crystal structure. Okay, okay, before going to make this kind of things, you have to optimize your bulk system, then you can make like this. Okay, so this is that basic method. So always you have to do like this only. So you can save as this zip file, and also then convert into the postcard file and do it your DFT calculations. Okay, if you want to put that single atom, you can also put wherever you want. So if you want to put here any single atom, just you can click this pen type and you can see periodic table. So if you want to put ruthenium, select ruthenium, click OK. So if you want to put it, click here, you can, it will come. So that's you can connect with the terminal atom. So here you can see we have, so just you can select this one and put it into the center. Okay, so we have made single atom catalyst on bismuth telluride mono layer. Okay, so this is the things. Likewise, if you want to make absorbate onto the site, also you can make. So you can see. Okay, C is that. Just we can also change into this into CO. Okay, just you can select that one, modify element, go to here, modify element, you can select as a oxygen, it will come CO. So then you can click this one, it will don't show bond, just open bond, monitor bond you can click. So here you can change include all element and connectivity, just you can increase. Okay, that's all. So our single atom absorbed on CO is ready. So you can also save this as a zip file and you can convert into the postcard file, then you can do the DFT calculation. Okay, that's all. So this is the very easy only, just you can try with other things also. If you have any question, you can comment in this video, I will happy to answer. Okay, thank you. So if you like my content, please subscribe, like and comment and share, and also please click the bell icon for my future video update. Thank you for watching. Thank you, enjoy.